In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Gmail account from other devices. This can be incredibly useful if you've logged into a shared or public device and want to ensure your personal information remains secure. It can also help you manage which devices have access to your account, maintaining control over your digital footprint. Let's get started by opening a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the Google Account Management page. You can easily find this by searching Google Account in your preferred search engine. Once there, sign in with your Gmail account credentials if you aren't already logged in. It's crucial to ensure that you're using the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Gmail accounts. Look for your profile picture or initial in the upper right corner to confirm. After signing in, you'll see the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your account activity. From here, you'll want to locate the Security option. This can typically be found in the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Click or tap on Security, and it will bring up various security settings related to your account. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Your Devices. This section provides a list of all devices currently connected to your Gmail account. Take a moment to review these devices, as it might surprise you to see devices you no longer use or didn't consciously connect to. For each device you've logged into, particularly those you'd like to remove, click on the three vertical dots or the More option next to the device name. A small menu will pop up. Here you'll see the choice to sign out or remove. Selecting this option will sever the connection of your Gmail account with that specific device. You'll potentially be asked to confirm your choice, so be sure to do so to finalize the process. If you're worried about unwanted access to your account in the future, it's a good idea to consider changing your account password. This can add an extra layer of security, deterring any unsanctioned attempts to regain access from previously connected devices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed unwanted devices from accessing your Gmail account. It's always wise to conduct this check periodically, and especially after accessing your email on unfamiliar devices. Regular maintenance of your account ensures your information remains secure and only accessible to you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video.